everyone, today I'm going to recreate this beautiful picture that retails for $5 grand at RH for under $50. I'm going to show you two versions, so let's get started. At Dollar Tree, I picked up 12 of these 11 by 14 frames. First, I aligned the picture frames into 3 rows of 4 on the floor. I glued them using crazy glue and held them together with these craft clamps that I got from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need 12 canvases that are 11 by 14. I bought a 2-pack of 7 from Michael's, a putty knife and a small bucket of joint compound, and small wooden blocks from Dollar Tree. Take the canvas out of its packing. Using the putty knife, you're going to apply some joint compound onto the canvas, and then you're going to take the small wooden block and just stamp out some little squares onto the joint compound. Basically, you're just spreading the joint compound around and working in small sections and stamping until you have your entire canvas covered in little squares. I did this for 12 canvases, and you should end up with a picture that looks exactly like this. Next, using some black and white acrylic paint, you're just going to paint around the border of each square, and you can go as light or as dark as you prefer. What I did was I put paint on my brush and I just colored around each square until there was no more paint. So once the paint dried, this is what the canvas looked like. It has a lot of texture and dimension, and that is exactly what I was going for. After I finished that, I glued each canvas onto the frame using E6000. I also glued a foam board to the back to give support, and to hang the picture up, I used a picture hanging kit. And this is how the first version of the picture came out. For the second version, I repurposed a canvas that I was no longer using. I applied the same technique as I did in the first version, however this one was a lot easier because I didn't have to start from scratch. In the comment section below, I'd like to know which one is your favorite, either the first version or the second version. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And always remember to shine bright and never let anyone turn off your light. Until next video.